In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Google Drive, a powerful tool for storing and sharing files. Let's dive in. First, we need to head over to Google Drive. To do this, open your preferred browser and type in the website address or simply search for Google Drive. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It's straightforward and quick. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Google Drive. This is your hub, where all files and folders you create will live. In the upper left corner, you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. Here, select File Upload. This option allows you to upload files from your computer directly into your Google Drive. Once you click File Upload, your File Explorer will pop up, prompting you to select the file you wish to upload. Select it from your computer and click Open. You'll notice a small pop-up in the bottom right corner of your screen showing the progress of your file upload. Once it finishes, your file will be right there in your main drive view. Now let's discover how to share this file with others. Locate the file you just uploaded and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, click on Share. This is the key step in collaborating with others or just ensuring others have access to your file. After clicking Share, you'll see a dialog box appear. In the Share with People and Groups area of this box, you can type in the email address of the person or people you want to share the file with. Google Drive will send them an email with a link to access your file, making the process seamless. But there's another way, copying the link. Below the email box, you'll see an option to copy link. This is perfect if you want to share the file with multiple people without having to enter each email individually. Just click Copy Link and you can paste it directly into a message or email. Before finalizing, however, you'll need to adjust the access permissions. To do this, find the section specifying access rights. Change it to Anyone with the link can view. This is crucial if you want people who aren't necessarily part of your email list to access the file easily. Finally, after making sure everything is set up as you need, click Done. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded, shared, and set permissions for a file on Google Drive. This straightforward process opens a world of convenient file management and collaboration options. Keep practicing, and soon navigating Google Drive will become second nature.